Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make pizza in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first. Take water. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make lake. Then add lake to it. When you do that, it will make ocean. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make island. Then go to the other side. Take fire. Then add fire to it. When you do that, it will make volcano. Then you have to combine volcano to island. It will make Hawaii. Then go to the other side. Take water. Then add earth to it. It will make plant. Then combine plant to Hawaii. It will make pineapple. Then remove pineapple from the screen. Then go to the other side. Take ocean. Then add water to it. It will make fish. Now, we are halfway done. Then add plant to it. When you do that, it will make seaweed. Then add fish to it. When you do that, it will make sushi. Then remove sushi from the screen. Then go to the other side. Take wind. Then add earth to it. When you do that, it will make dust. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make mud. Then add mud to it. When you do that, it will make clay. Then add earth to it. When you do that, it will make pottery. Then add sushi to it. When you do that, it will make plate. Now, the last step is to add pineapple to it. When you do that, it will make pizza. Voila! And that's how you make or create pizza in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Happy crafting!